Enterprises and SMBs can leverage Microsoft's Azure and Azure Stack to eventually realize hybrid cloud capabilities. Jamcracker now offers a platform which comes with predefined Azure stacks for Windows and Linux operating systems, which brings the innovation of cloud computing to build and deploy hybrid applications anywhere. In our previous video we demonstrated how Microsoft Azure Stack cloud credentials are mapped in Jamcracker platform. In this video we are going to demonstrate the end customer flow of Azure Stack and lifecycle activities that can be managed from Jamcracker platform. A registered user logs into the Jamcracker web store portal and navigates to the store catalog. They can select the desired Azure Stack from the store catalog by clicking on the View Offers. On clicking on View Offers, customer shall be directed to the service information page, where the service information along with service collaterals can be seen. Proceed to the next step by clicking on the Launch button. Here are a few necessary parameters that needs to be entered by the user in order to launch a stack. Stack name and description. Provide a unique application stack name. Tags. Tag the application stack as per standard IT practice. Instance name. Provide a unique name for the VM. This can be same as stack name. Vendors. Select the vendor, in this case Azure Stack. Region. Select the required region from the drop-down where the user wants to launch the stack. OS version. Select the required OS version. Instance size. Select the desired instance size. Username and password. Provide a username and password to perform SSH from Jamcracker platform. Resource group. You can create a new resource group or select an existing resource group from the drop-down. Storage type. You can create a new storage type or select an existing storage. Storage account. You can create a new storage account or select an existing storage account from the drop-down. Availability set. You can create a new availability set or select an existing availability set. Availability set ensures your VMs are available when there is a hardware failure or when the Azure systems are under maintenance. Network interface. Provide a network name, only hyphen and spaces are allowed as special characters. Subnet. You can create a subnet from the UI or choose an existing subnet from the drop-down. Private IP. Leaving this field blank will auto-assign a private IP to the VM. If you want to provide a static IP, please enter the same. Public IP. Choosing auto-assign option will result in VM receiving a dynamically provisioned public IP which may change if you restart the VM. Security group. User can create a custom security group as per standard IT practices or go with the existing security group. Before launching the stack, the user can see the estimated cost of this deployment on the top right corner. Assuming all the required parameters have been provided, proceed to the next step by clicking on Launch. Once the order flow is completed, the user will be directed to the App Stacks page, where the user can see the stack creation notification and also an email shall be sent to the user. Here a user can see the orchestration status of the newly launched stack. The stack would take about 5 minutes to proceed to running status. Kindly note the page needs to be refreshed to see the changed status of the stack. Once the stack goes to running state, the lifecycle activities for the VM can be performed from the Instances page. To navigate to Instances page, go to Manage and click on Instances. On the Instances page, user can view the vendor name, name of the VM, tag details if provided, and the status of the VM. Click on Actions drop-down against the VM to perform lifecycle activities. Users can perform tasks like viewing the details of the VM, perform SSH from Jamcracker platform, stop the VM, terminate the VM, reboot the VM, attach a new block storage, add an existing volume, etc. This completes the end customer order flow and manage lifecycle activities from Jamcracker platform. Moving on to the important category. Jamcracker platform generates a consolidated invoice that contains granular level information on cost associated with each resource component. In a connected mode setup, usage is obtained by Jamcracker platform on daily basis at scheduled intervals from Microsoft Azure, over which margin can be defined by Marketplace admin, and a consolidated invoice will be generated on the bill date. In a disconnected mode setup, the provider should have their usage meter set up and define their own rate card based on which Jamcracker platform shall invoice the customer on the bill date. Take a look at the charges displayed in the invoice for Azure Stack generated by Jamcracker platform. Thank you for watching the video. To know more about what Jamcracker products and technology can do for you, please visit www.jamcracker.com.